Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB, MDC iExamB Learning Experience. In this video, our focus will be on discussing the government exams other than judiciary which are there for freshers. Judiciary now has mandatory 3 years experience, 3 years practice as an advocate or as a research assistant or similar related fields. Because of this, many of the students who were earlier targeting judiciary have now become ineligible and are looking for other career options. But they are not aware of what all government exams are there. So in this video, I am going to give you a list of government exams which you can check out and see whether you want to appear for these exams, whether you want to target these exams or not. If your target is only judiciary and you're planning to go for practice for 3 years and after that you want to appear for judiciary, you can go for that. Even along with your practice as an advocate, you can appear for these exams. And if not, then that is your choice of careers. But this video is relevant for those students who are looking now for other options, who are looking now for other exams which they can appear for. This has been the calendar of such exams over the past 5 years. And this year in 2025, we have already seen 5 to 6 recruitments. In June, we can definitely expect more recruitments. We can expect IBPS RRB. We can also expect RBI Grade B Legal. HPCL has already been announced. So I'll be discussing about these recruitments one by one. We'll be talking about eligibility and what you need to prepare in order to appear for such exams. In order to understand clearly, we'll be dividing all the law officer or legal exams in 4 categories: regulatory bodies, insurance or banking sector, public sector undertakings, or assistant public prosecutor exams. So let's start with first regulatory bodies, All India Financial Institutions. Here you have SEBI legal, IFSC legal, PFRDA legal, IRDAI legal, NABARD legal, NPS legal, SPMCIL. These recruitments do not require any experience. The one mentioned in orange, RBI Grade B legal, FSSAI, FCI legal, do require an experience. So when you are looking for regulatory body exams, the most common ones are SEBI, IFSCA, PFRDA, IRDI, NABARD legal, NPS legal. SPMCIL is not fairly a regular recruitment. Then the second one is insurance and banking sector. In the banking sector, IBPS SO law is one of the famous exams for freshers. RRB law requires 2 years experience. Then ECGC PO legal is also there for freshers. Various banks release law officer recruitment: Union Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, but this requires experience. Exim legal, which was announced few months back, does not require experience. And in the insurance sector, there are 4 general insurance companies: UIIC, NICL, NIACL, OICL. These do not require experience. GICV then does not require experience. Agriculture Insurance Company Limited do not require experience. LIC may require experience. Then there are various public sector undertakings which go for direct recruitment other than through CLAT exam. Coal India is one exam which is there for freshers. HPCL requires 1 year experience. This recruitment is active. I have already released the notification video. Then SJVN is there for freshers. Airport Authority of India is there for freshers. HURLDDA and many more recruitments keep on getting announced by public sector undertaking. Then there is Assistant Public Prosecutor in investigative agencies like Central Bureau of Investigation, National Investigative Agency, Serious Fraud Investigation Office. All these exams have quite similar pattern, quite similar syllabus with slight variation, and you can target all these exams together. Let's look at the eligibility ones. For regulatory bodies in RBI Grade B Legal, you will need 2 years mandatory experience. In SEBI Grade A Legal, 2 years experience is there, but it is desirable. You may or may not have. Freshers are eligible. And everywhere you need a law degree. In some of the exams, minimum 60% is required. In others, it is not required. Maximum age usually is 30. For recruitments which have experience, the maximum age can go up to 32 or more. Then you have banking insurance sector. IBPS SO law is there for freshers. Exim legal was announced this time, which was there for freshers. Exam manager law is for experienced candidates. Whenever the recruitment mentions scale 2, grade B or manager, that means it is for higher scale and will require experience. IBPS SO law is for freshers. ECGC PO legal is for freshers. Exam legal is for freshers. After that, there is insurance. Agriculture Insurance Company Limited is for freshers. NICL, UIIC, OICL, NICL, all these are for freshers. GIC Legal is again for freshers. LIC AO Legal may require 3 years experience. In UIIC, experience is mentioned, but it's desirable, not mandatory. Then we have public sector undertakings and assistant public prosecutor exams. Some of these do require experience, some do not. So that keeps on varying depending upon which organization has released the recruitment. There could be many more recruitments announced by various public sector undertakings or financial institutions. So you'll have to keep yourself aware about these recruitments if you are planning to appear for such exams. You can subscribe to this channel where we give all the updated information of any active or upcoming recruitments. Next, we are going to discuss the subjects which are usually common in all these exams. Before that, I want to tell you, iExamB sympathizes with all the candidates, with all the aspirants who are targeting judiciary, who have given 1 year, 2 years into their preparation and have now become ineligible for judiciary exams and want to diversify their options. We are offering additional discounts for those students on our courses if you need our guidance, our help, our study material to prepare for such exams. You can call us on this number to know more about our course offerings, to check out our various courses, to know more about the discount offers which we'll be offering you if you've already given an year or two for your judiciary preparation. You can also write to us about your profile for guidance, for getting your queries answered, or any other issue to hello@iexamb.com. Now let's discuss about the subjects which are usually common in all these exams. The first one is reasoning, then English, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, law subject, usually law objective. Then in some of the exams there is computer, descriptive English, descriptive legal also present. Quantitative aptitude is present in almost 80% of the exams but can be left out for some of the exams. Computer is present in only 1 or 2 exams. So here reasoning, English, general awareness and objective legal is the topic which you have to prepare for all these exams. I'll be discussing the exam pattern in my next video where I'll be talking in detail about the exam pattern of various exams, about the common or different syllabus and about the preparation strategy. Then if we specifically focus on the law subjects, there are common laws which need to be prepared for all these exams and many of these topics you have already studied in your judiciary preparation. So civil laws like CPC, Arbitration, Transfer of Property Act, Limitation Act is common in all the exams. Criminal law, CRPC, Evidence, IPC, and now the focus has shifted to new criminal laws. Constitution, contract laws, corporate laws. Corporate law you might not have studied in judiciary preparation, but other topics you may have already studied. Then other laws like torts, consumer protection, RTI, ID Act, FEMA, PMLA, Competition Act, Stamp Act. Some of these laws you may have studied in your judiciary preparation, some you may not have studied. Then you move to organization or sector specific laws. For SEBI, IFSA, you will also have to study securities laws, rules, regulations, banking laws for IBPS and RBI exams, insurance laws for various insurance exams, organization specific laws like coal related laws, petroleum related laws for respective public sector undertaking. So you'll have to prepare all these law subjects. I'll be talking more about the law subjects in detail, about the various chapters that you may have to study from every topic, more details about the syllabus of quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, general awareness in my next video. As of now, I am attaching a Google form in the description so that you can enter your queries in the Google form. Fill this Google form in the description. Let me know what are your doubts, what are your queries, so that I am able to address them in my next videos. If apart from this you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. You can also reach out to us on this number, write to us on this email ID. But I will advise you to fill this Google form. Let me know your queries. I'll try to address all of them in my upcoming videos. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.